The opportunities for MSME today, as I had already discussed in the summit also, it is going green. Going green, that makes the even the cost of production for the MSME much lower, so that their profitability also, or the bottom line also gets improved. Going green means either they adopt the state of the art technology, okay. Secondly, they go for the energy consumption, they go for the roof installation of the rooftop solar project. Thirdly, for the logistic, they can adopt the electric vehicle, be it three-wheeler or two-wheeler, because they are the sales person or the collection persons. They always visit the market, get the receivables recovered, or or even delivery the products also in the local market. Going green, that is the need of the hour for the MSMEs today. Today, the challenges the MSME face, it is even when we look at the NAC committee report, it is the which was there in late 90s and it still holds good today, that the availability of credit timely and adequate to the MSME, that still is a challenge. And within MSME, it is the micro enterprises who face the challenges. So that's what. Secondly, SIDBI has gone for providing the credit to the MSMEs digitally. We have come out with a digital platform, and our digital is not restricted to retail by the other banking sector, be it the public sector or the private sector bank. But our digital platform does provide, we are providing express loan. Express loan means within the same day we are sanctioning the credit digitally. All the data points, they get stored in our system through OTP mechanism, whether it is GST data, whether it is a income tax return, whether it is their credit data or bank transaction data through account aggregator platform also. So all these data points, they get collected in our system, and all the application that is lodged digitally. Thereafter, whatever the annexures they are filled there, and it is to be signed digitally also through OTP, Aadhaar based. And thereafter, when it reaches to our system, all the data points, they get processed, and within the same day under and it is for the brown field, not for the green field. Brown field means those MSMEs which are in existence for last 3 years. They have got the last 3 years audited balance sheet. So there, on within the same day, we are providing the data. We have also have a partnership with the CIBIL, where we are coming with the MSME Pulse every quarter. Secondly, we have also partnered with the CRISIL. There is a CRISIDEX that also published every quarter. A CRISIDEX means it is a MSME index. It is like BSE index is there, like MSME index that gets published. MSME Pulse gives how much the credit demand is there, how much credit has been made available to the MSMEs, and what is the credit gap available. See, credit guarantee fund trust for micro and small enterprises, that is only restricted to micro and small enterprises within MSME. Reason being that that's already explained earlier, it is the availability of timely and adequate credit to the MSMEs. That is the need of the hour. Or within MSME, it is the micro and small enterprises which always feel the brunt from the banking sector, because neither they are able to provide the required collateral to the banking sector, or it is a third party guarantee that any specific, because if one is coming with the greenfield project and it is the first generation, had it been second generation, the first generation would have provided the guarantee, absolutely no issue. But it is the first generation, who is going to provide the guarantee for him? So to mitigate those risks, the government India had come with a credit guarantee fund scheme for micro enterprises, which was launched in 2002. And you would also appreciate in 2023, the total guarantee cover that was provided to the MSE, micro and small enterprises, through the credit guarantee mechanism, that had crossed 1 lakh crore in the same year. In 2024, it has crossed 1.5 lakh crore in a year. And in 2025, it is going to cross more than 2 crore, 2 lakh crore, 2 lakh crore. So you can well imagine how much the credit that is reaching to the micro and small enterprises through credit guarantee. And credit guarantee, see, it covers 75% of the credit guarantee that is lent by the banking sector, and 25% that is the risk made available. And for the women and other SC/ST community, that is 85% cover. Even Northeast also we are providing 85%. We have reached to a good understanding with a couple of the state governments, and rather 4 or 5 states are there, where we have reached into MOU where they are going to top up the guarantee. See, it is a 75% guarantee. If the state government comes forward with providing additional 10% or 15% of guarantee, the total risk that is borne by the banking sector, that would come to 10 to 15% only. So then the credit flow from the banking sector to this micro and small enterprise, that would be much more, or rather it would be a multifold. So we have already this discussion with the state government, and they are very positive on that. And maybe by the end of this financial year, we should be able to reach to an MOU with the state government also. We have already reached to the state of Tamil Nadu, Goa, and Northeast state also. One of the Northeast state also. GST, that's what I say. Within this MSME, it is a micro. The micro, see, if they want to get the working capital facility, see, whether it is 10 lakh, 15 lakh, 20 lakh or 25 lakh. So there, see, RBI has already mandated to the banking sector that up to 10 lakh, they should not insist for any collateral. It is mandatory on them. They should not, so what the bankers they are doing, up to 10 lakh, they are taking the guarantee cover from the credit guarantee fund. So they are not insisting collateral. That is one part. So to mitigate those challenges which is felt by this micro enterprises within that system, SIDBI has come out with the GST Sahay. GST Sahay means those micro enterprises which are already registered in the GST system, and they are not mandated to file the return also, or they will be filing a return, a simple return that is going to be filed by them. There we have come with the GST platform where their invoices that will get discounted on that platform, okay, based on their supplies to that particular buyer, how much is there, that credit limit that will be provided to them. Within that credit limit, it would be invoices will get discounted on the same, and the credit will reach to the micro enterprises, micro and small enterprises same day. On that would be seamless. That would be seamless.